Hansshow is introducing a screen protector for your Tesla Model 3 and Y. To install this, enter Screen Cleaning Mode. Remove the cleaning kit that came with the screen protector. Take out the alcohol wipe and clean your display thoroughly from top to bottom, left to right. You want to make sure your display is completely free of any grease, grime, or dust. After you clean with the alcohol wipe, take out the microfiber cloth and dry the display from top to bottom, left to right. Now remove the sheet from the screen protector in the rear and place the screen protector along with the alignment case on top of the display from top tilted down. Then press and slide from top left to bottom right with your fingers. And once you've done that, press along to press out any air bubbles in the open slot. So do this for the bottom left after the top right. And once you've done, wait 30 seconds and then remove the sticker. Then you can remove the actual alignment case. Now grabbing your microfiber cloth again and push out any air bubble from center outward. And that is it. Now you have a full protection for your Tesla Model 3 and Y display.